you ever have a craving to know what's happening at Way Church? If you had too much high tech and could use a little low tech? Are you the type of person that likes to stay informed any time of day or night, 24/7? Don't despair. Coming June 6th, the fine folks from WAY News will be offering to you the Refrigerator Report. This monthly update will be available at the Way Church Welcome Desk. And don't forget to ask for your free magnet to make sure your very own refrigerator report is always prominently displayed. This message has been brought to you by the good folks at WAY News.